The reason we're doing robotic mining is so we can move off of this planet. If I told you, let's go explore Mars, and you have to bring everything you need when you go to Mars, it's a 6-month journey to Mars, then you're stuck there for 1.5 years before you can even think about coming back. That's called orbital mechanics. The planets have to line up, and then a 6-month journey back. So it's 2.5 years that you are committed when you go on a trip to Mars. If you go on a 2.5-year journey, do you think you can take everything you need to survive for 2.5 years with you? It's a big logistics problem. So NASA has a solution for that. That solution is called in situ resource utilization. What that means is living off the land. Instead of taking everything with you, you gather it along the way. You use the local resources to survive. But in order to use the local resources, you have to acquire the resources. How do you acquire the resources? Is it with a shovel? You go dig dirt with a shovel? Well, no, we've kind of evolved past that point. Now we use machines. So when we go to Mars, Curiosity recently discovered that 2% of the regolith on Mars is water. Now that doesn't sound like a whole lot, but if I mine the regolith and I heat the regolith up, the first thing that happens is the water evaporates and you get steam. Then you can condense the steam, it makes water, you can electrolyze the water, you have hydrogen and oxygen, and hydrogen and oxygen is propellant. 80% of a rocket is propellant. So now you just saved 80% of a mass that you had to bring from Earth. And the gear ratio of bringing something from Earth to Mars is 18 to 1. So for every kilogram you want to land on Mars, you have to launch 18 kilograms into low Earth orbit. So the first step of living off the land is mining the regolith. And that's why we have this competition. Because in order to live off the land, you have to mine the regolith. And it won't be you doing it with a shovel, it will be a robot doing it. And you will be in a habitat in a nice, safe environment, and the robot will be out mining. And that's why we do this.